So our company is located in Lake Arrowhead, California, which is located in the mountains above the Los Angeles basin. We live in a place where it snows quite often in the wintertime because we're at a high altitude.
We had about 3 years of having to deal with the changes with the ultra low NOx, and we got our hands on our first NPF with pretty high hopes because of our experience putting in Navien boilers and our success with that, and it's been like a dream. We've put in about 100 and we don't have to worry anymore. A focus on comfort, not just throwing in a new furnace, but making the house work like we would want our house to work.
And the second I saw that Navien were going to produce a furnace, I bought it right away. And the second I received it, not only was it, oh, these people know how to do ultra low NOx, what actually matters to me, more than any of that, is that every time it fires, it works. It allows us to have a perfectly comfortable home where you're not getting those swings. I truly appreciate that a company like Navien is out there making a product that we can be proud to install. I have to be a good player in the community. And I believe that Navien treats me the same way. They support me. They are there for me.